Hi guys, welcome back. We are working once again on the 2009 Peugeot 308. This time looking at the ABS sensor on the rear. There's a little trick to these which I will show you in a moment. So the ABS sensor itself is just moving around. Is here. This is the cable that goes to it. Let's bring a torch in. You can see there it's a pretty tight fit. Now the screw to release it is on this side, and the trick to get it out using a 5mm Allen key is that we're going to go in through the front. Now, if you notice on these, we want that and that to be horizontal, and that way this hole here is lined up with the Allen key in the bolt itself. So we're going to go through the hub. There's the Allen key coming through. And it locates into the bolt just there. So that one and that one horizontal, and then this just goes straight in. This is a 5mm Allen key, straight in, wiggle it around a little bit to locate it. Now you might need to tap it in just to make sure that it is properly seated so that you don't chew the end out. It will be quite a tight fit. That then just screws out. This basically is going to allow me to now release the sensor. This just pulls off the back. There we go. With the sensor removed, you can see much more clearly the hole the bolt needs to relocate into. There you go, so we're going in through there. Now this sensor is pretty chewed up on the end. It's definitely been making contact. You can see the shiny end there, and I'm getting an intermittent fault from this particular sensor. So I think it's probably about time to replace that. The other thing you can check is up here. This one was cable tied on, but there is, you just push that top piece up, there is another clip connector. You want to make sure that your connections in here are nice and shiny, because this, of course, being effectively in the wheel arch, is going to be very susceptible to getting filled up with salt and other corrosive crap. Now in here, bring a torch in, you can see the grey there. I think it's a plastic coated ABS tone ring, but if there's any grease or grime on that, or chips of rust or whatever, it might be an idea to clean that off as well, because anything that's presenting a profile other than the peaks and troughs of the tone ring itself is going to give the engine management system a duff reading on how fast the car's going. There you go. So refitting is the exact reverse of removal, and once you're all finished, ready to refit, we actually take the bolt here and thread it back into the component so that it's ready to relocate, and that gives you a good solid target to aim for from the other side. And yeah, that's it. That's how you access the ABS sensor on the back end of a Peugeot 308. That's it for today. Take it easy, guys. I'll see you soon.